Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you already seen the title, you already know today is a vlog about my court marriage that's happening tomorrow. Today is September 04, 2025. You know, it's definitely a special night, and I wanted to document this so you guys can see me with my originally last name, you know, being a fiance, and then y'all gonna see me being married. Getting married to my man, the love of my life. Mwah. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you like godly content, fashion content, all that good stuff, then you are in the right channel. So don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, comment, you know the vibes. But if you are a returning OG, welcome back, my people. I know that I have not been posting as much as I need to be posting on YouTube, but your girl, life has been moving for the better, and we give God all the glory. My life has been moving, my life has been going. I have exciting news to share, and I don't even know how to say it, but I have to wait for another video to share that. But in the meantime, your girl's getting married. Tomorrow is officially my court wedding date, September 5th, and that's the one we're always going to remember because that's going to be our anniversary. How do I feel? I know some of you guys are probably wondering, like, how do I feel? I don't know how I feel. I actually don't know how I feel. I'm just like, I can't believe it. I can't believe it's happening. I feel good though. I feel excited. I thank God. I'm just like, wow, this is the night before I get married. And I just sit back and I just reflect, like, so many things, you know, like just the journey of me and him, you know, like so many things, y'all. From the time that he asked me to take me out and I was like, no, to the time that we did go out on our first day and he blew my mind away. And every single day since then, he has been so intentional. And I'm just kind of like, wow, like this story was definitely handwritten by the Lord, because I just feel like God's hands was on this the whole time. So many times that I'm just like, wait, God, how real is this? Like, pinch me. My dress is here. My outfit is here. I ordered so many different variations of shoes, accessories, bags. I ordered so many different variations. My mom would have thought that my closet is a store. Like, she still thinks that my closet is a store, but like I ordered so many things. You honestly think that this house is a warehouse. And my parents are just kind of like, girl, why are you ordering so much stuff? And I'm like, I have to make sure I have the perfect shoes, the perfect dress, the perfect accessories. First of all, wait, look at my nails, y'all. My nail tech never, when I say never disappoint, never, why is my camera trying to play with me right now? Never disappoint. See you tomorrow morning. Good morning. Hold on, let me put on the GPS. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and we will what? Rejoice and be glad in it. So this is the morning of my court wedding. I told y'all I was supposed to be at the makeup artist by 7 o'clock, but it's looking like my GPS saying 7:10. But it's cool because I think she has like a 15 minutes grace period. Is it a 10 minutes grace period? One of them. But I showered this morning. I did my skincare, moisturize, all of that. And yeah, I'm excited. My hair's in a bun, and I really hope the pins stay because I don't know what else to do if the pin don't stay. I'm gonna have to call my hairstylist and let her know, yeah, girl, we need to figure something out. We are here to get my makeup done. Yeah, listen to the background. No, literally. There's so many beautiful colors, and it has to go with the bridesmaids or HB girls, and then the parents. Like, I want all of the colors to make sense. Like, look at my face, you guys.
Period.
So freaking cute. We are ready for the day. Goodness! You look so good. I'm gonna put her at name somewhere on the screen. Go support her. Period. With her friend. Woo. Look at the flowers. I'm gonna show you guys the gifts later. But, ooh, my balloons and my makeup is done. Let's open the gift together. Because why not? Let's open the card first. I just love reading cards. I love reading cards. Okay, love is patient, love is kind. It bears all things, believe all things, hope all things, endure all things. Love never ends. 1 Corinthians 13:4-7-8. And may your marriage be filled with love and peace. And oh, thank you. Ah! The gifts. Okay, let's try to look at the gifts. What you getting? K Ali. It's so funny because she was asking me the K Ali. It's called the Wedding Silk and Set. New set for the day? What? Alright guys, so I'm about to go get ready. I was supposed to clear out my SD card though, so let me see if I could kind of do that before it's time for us to go. I'm supposed to get there by 10, so we'll see though what this SD card looking like, because I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Today is your day. Today is your day. Okay guys, so this is my outfit. You can't see everything, but you see when I get there. But they helped me put my clothes on. I got on tights and my shoes, and definitely, you know, we gotta keep the bag coming. Oh, pearls, baby. Oh, look at this gorgeous dress, you guys. Guys, look at my beautiful flower. Oh my gosh, she did her thing. I'm gonna show y'all the inspo that I had on Pinterest, and she really did her thing. Oh my gosh, definitely spot on. So mother freaking cute. How did she cook this much, babe? Getting ready in the bathroom. Just some small, yeah, small little things. Hey, girl. It's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine.
I mean, you said edges. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So can I get the pin? Or do you put the pin in the hair?
Okay.
Is that your stuff?
Huh? Yeah, this is my
Go
stuff.
talk to her, right? Make sure, right?
All right. My outfit for you guys. Your husband. That's that, and then can you also.
Will you promise to care for each other in joy and sorrows of life, come what may?
Yes.
I have a different last name now. You can't call me my old name no more. You can't. I'm not gonna answer in it. We're about to go take some pictures.
Spring shake home with the Powerade no ice. It's gonna be $28.75 and you can pay around the corner.
We got food. Chick-fil-A better sponsor us. Chicky Chick.
And so,
Thank you.
okay.
Yes.
Oh
Just
my
got
God.
married.
Oh, you're already married.
We are done with the shoot, you guys. It's successful. Always.
It was a great shoot. 10 out of 10. First time shooting right here. Beautiful couple.
Period.
Go tap in all your visuals on Instagram.
Yeah.
AYOO.visuals.
Yeah.
I got you.
Let's have a lot of time.
Mm-hmm.
Just to get to see the hotel a little bit.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
That's what you call a supportive husband, okay? That's what you call a supportive husband.
Yeah.
We did like 3 or 4 TikToks, you guys. So your girl is married. Ah!
It will take me a moment to wait to see if once your room is ready and then have your keys. If you'd like, you can come back and then we can just take your little keys around. That way your keys will work easier.
No, this background is eating real bad. Y'all look at the room. This is the bathroom. Elegantio. Elegance. Excuse me. That's the shower. That's the toilet. 2 sinks. And then all like the closet pieces are like right here. So at least you know. Oh, and we got our robes. And then this is the room. The view is amazing. This is our bedroom. Staying here for a couple nights. So cute. Look at the roses. So cute, y'all. And then they gave us something so special. It says, congratulations to the newlyweds. I am celebrating my first year of marriage today, and I wish you the best on the new and wonderful journey. Best, Helene. Aw, so nice. They gave us strawberries. And they gave us, ooh, okay, a little champagne. And then this is the view. Come on, view. The con radio. And then this is me. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go spend time with my husband. We are getting ready. We are getting ready to go to the reception. So the reception starts at 7 o'clock. Yeah, we chilled a little bit, vented, talked. You know, I'm still wearing the same clothes. I was actually gonna have a reception dress. I was like, let me just save that for another time. But these are my shoes. I am wearing my ballet slippers. Yeah, I'm trying to go to the. We're closing out her vlog. Happy man.
I just want to say congratulations to Dennis and Emmanuel. It's been a privilege, you know, to witness their journey, and I'm just grateful, you know, to be here today. So.
Yeah. Goody. Emmanuel, congratulations. I'm so excited. Trust me, words fail me. But you know, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart.
What a fun time we had today. I mean, from the ceremony all the way to the celebration in the evening. Congratulations to our sister Woody and our brother Emmanuel.
words can't even, I don't even have enough time to say it, but I am extremely grateful and so happy. Today marks like forever, and like I'm just so grateful and honored to be able to take part in it. And it's like I literally want to cry because it literally just hit me that she's married and like I'm leaving. Well, not like leaving, but you know, she's just transitioning. But I love you guys so much, and I wish you guys all the best. Bye.
Good morning, everyone. It's a whole new day. I forgot to close out yesterday, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching this end of the video, and I will see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.